Wolf Track Ridge Road, property, private gate. There's a truck. Wolf Track Ridge Road, that way is to the east towards 393. Across the street there's a mailbox at the top of the hill there on the left. Woods other than that. On up the road to Wolf Track Ridge, gravel, turns into dirt. Probably get it straight there. Driveway curve. Alright, coming in the door, Wolf Track Ridge, tile foyer, living room, stairs in the corner, hallway, bedrooms, the dining area, French doors to the back deck, kitchen, refrigerators, plumbed, hardwood cabinet, the laundry, washer and dryer space, got a pantry over here. Garage, car right in the middle, probably room for two compacts, gas heat and water heat, tile floors, master bedroom, going to the bath, master bath, there's a big closet, corner tub, opaque window, separate shower, toilet, master bedroom, bedroom, closet, ceiling fan, bedroom, bathroom, closet, bedroom. Bedroom. Closet doors. Hall bath. Fiberglass tub, shower combo. Linen closet. Behind the door in the bathroom. Alright, going out the back door. Back deck. The road, you can get a glimmer of the road there through there. 4-wheeler trail. Pool. There's the deck. Gutters on the house. Stairway outside. Back in, kitchen, living, stairwell to the basement, front door, and tile foyer. Down the basement stairs. This is a safe room for hurricanes. Exterior door, concrete walls, sun lights. Alright, we got another exterior door, concrete walls. I believe they said a poured concrete ceiling. This is ventilation for outside for air, smoke detector. Got power here. Built this for a safe room, concrete floor. It's got a thin commercial rug on it. This is the downstairs additional room. Storage under the stairs. Half bath. Remax agent. Storage. French doors going outside. Exterior door. We got basement storage. Dirt floors. A lot of storage. Insulation under the house. You got ventilation. Multiple spots around the outside. Moisture down. Back into the finished basement area. Back outside, that's the driveway coming in. Garage side. 4-wheeler trail. Propane tank. AC. It's a walkout basement, so it's got a little elevation slope to the rear. Back deck. Some French drain coming off of the gutters, I believe. Little wet zone down in there, little creek area. Kind of circling around behind the house. Natural buffer. Another 4-wheeler trail. Pool pump. Other side of the house. It's a satellite dish. Underground power from here to pole. I believe that's a switch for generator. Alright, Wolf Track Ridge is that way. That's the neighbors. I'm pretty sure that's a property line fence. Good little four-wheeler trail around the perimeter. That road goes back to the house. Trail around the back perimeter, heading north along the east line property. Some tie-tie looking vegetation, probably a little damp in there. Pretty good trail. I believe that's the back fence line. Just following this back fence line trail that we're on. It's a corner here. Next another jog back in there. This may be the corner of the property. Go back and look at the aerial. No fence to the right, but cellar's on to the right, so sure a fence could be figured out. Alright, here at 393 and Wolf Track Ridge Road, give you a little view of the valley looking towards the east.